Look like Aerox.
Yes. A Rapid 150.
150.
65 cash.
65,000
Cash.
cash. But Aerox price, original Aerox, it's about 101, 15 maybe.
Carburetor only. And this one, Pulse 150i. 82 cash.
82, yes? But it's made in China or Taiwan?
Taiwan, China.
Taiwan, China.
Ha? Di, nag-ano siya para ipakita sa yung friends.
ABS don't have, yes? ABS.
ABS ano ko yan? ABS ano ko yan ba? Ay, not ABS.
Don't have. So it's all motor is brand of Rusi, yes? Rusi.
Rusi.
It's very popular in the Philippines,
Yes.
I see. Because cheapest. Do you have same like N-Max, X-Max? It's
Perfect.
same. Same 150 engine?
175.
175.
Ay,
And how much?
97 cash.
97,000 cash. I think look more better than original. A little bit more better looking.
What, sir?
I mean, style is interesting style.
Yeah.
Look better than original.
Yes. We have a different color. Yellow, red, gray.
And also this. How much is
96. Classic 250i.
classic 250i 96? 96,000 pesos.
Yeah.
Rusi don't have big motor. Big.
We have 400cc, but we don't have this display. We have there in a supplier or in other branch. We don't. We have,
Another branch have, yes?
yeah,
Take a look another also.
surplus.
It's already second hand, yes?
Yes.
It's also Rusi.
Yeah.
Also Rusi. On sale, even without headlamp also can sail. No, for example, how much this motor? This
The problem with this, there is natanggalan ang langis.
it's okay.
Engine clean.
Engine, not good engine.
Yeah. There is a leak.
So most of motor have problem with engine, yes? Or have some defect? I see. So many. It's already new, yes?
Yeah. We have yellow.
Good morning. Good morning.
New release of Rossi motor.
Also
400cc I. Cyclone 400cc.
Okay, less also. It's copy and max, yes?
Yeah. RFI 175.
Only engine more. So many motors. Now low season, it's rainy season. Don't have any discount in the Philippines or
We
here.
have discount.
You
If you purchase cash, we have discount.
If have cash,
Yeah.
with discount. Rusi don't have electric motor,
Ah,
only gasoline.
yes. If you have business, we have chariot.
For business, this model.
Yes. Food cart.
How much money this one?
With roof, 112.
112.
With roof.
Mhm.
With passenger, 117.
117 with passenger here, yes?
With roof.
What's 175
Yeah.
cc also. And now not available with roof. Don't have here.
If passenger, there is a seat
I see,
Yeah.
yes.
like this.
I seen in barangay so many. They use in the barangay.
Used for garbage collection
Yeah.
or
Also security guard in
Yeah.
barangay. Bike also. Very big salon here. So many motors. Yes, very popular this motor.
Small level.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. I already record this.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much for information.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye. This is center of San Fernando City, Pampanga. Rusi Motors. This is address. If you won't go to from the Angeles City, just go straight to MacArthur Highway and you can see so many same motors shop. That is biggest motor Rusi. This is original NMAX. Original NMAX, Yamaha NMAX. But they have copy, Chinese copy. Same like Aerox, this one.